Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's tutorial is going to be about crocheting a scrunchie without using a hairband or elastic band or a hair tie. Today you are going to only need yarn and a hook. As for a hook, I suggest you use 3.5mm or 4 or 4.5, but if you are going to use 5mm hook, I suggest you use it with a more chunkier yarn. And as for me, I'm using this robin. I'm using robin yarn, but it's too thin, so I usually use 2 strands as I'm crocheting. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, we are going to start by chaining 40 chains, and I'm going to use 2 strands of this yarn because it's so thin, but you can use 1 strand of yarn if your yarn is a bit thicker than mine. So let's chain 40 chains and then I will meet you there. So okay, my 40 chains are all done, and from here you're going to take your stitch markers and mark how big you want your scrunchie to be. As for me, I just want a size medium. That means I will just use like 15 chains, just here, from here to here. I just want something medium, so I'm going to mark where I want my scrunchie to start and where I want my scrunchie to end. I just want something simple. I don't want something big, and I don't like making scrunchies. I don't know why, but I just don't understand. Something small, why does it take so much time? So this is what I'm having right now. Okay guys, so we are going to start making double crochet to fill this space, which is our main focus right now. And starting double crochet, you're going to chain 3 and then start double crocheting. So we are going to go under the chain, not between the chain, under the chain. Just do like this, and then pull it like this. Hold on to this one, and then chain 3. Or others, they just do it like this. They make a knot, like this, and then go under the chain, and then do like this, pull it, ready. So chain 3, but still keep on holding on to this one. We need to cover this one while making double crochet. So you're going to go under the chains with this one too, so like this. Go under the chain. Make sure you're still covering this one under the chain, under the chain. So I will meet you guys when I've done covering our main area. Okay, so we are all done covering this space. So I'm just going to take this off. It's no use now. And what follows is we are going to chain 3, just 2, and then turn our work, and we are going to go in each chain with 3 double crochet, and this one doesn't count as a chain. So we are going to start on the first chain. We're going to go in with 3 double crochet. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one. This one is more like an increase, so we can start creating the ruffles. So the second double crochet, again we are going to go in with 3 double crochet. And you're going to do that until you reach here. So I'll meet you guys when I'm almost done to come and show you the next step. Almost done, and this is how we are looking right now. Okay guys, we are on our last chain. Make sure you go into the top chain right here, this one here. So you're going to go in here and crochet 3 double crochet again. So 1, okay, this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is how they are looking like. Let's continue on our third row. Our third row will be like this. We are going to chain 2 again. 1, 2, turn your work and repeat what we just did on this row. You are going to go into each of these chains with 3 double crochet each, and it will take a bit of time, like it will take forever, but make sure you are going in with 3 double crochet on each one of these. So this one is our first one, second, and our third on the same chain. And you're going to go in here, all of these are going to go in with 3 double crochet. So I'll meet you when I'm in the middle or something to come and show you how we are looking. Okay guys, so we are done with the third row, and this is how we are looking. And I've already cut off the yarn, and now my scrunchie is ready to be worn. But if you want to add some more color, you can just add a lighter color as the 4th row, a lighter color. You're going to just go in each chain with 1 double crochet. It will look like this. It's not focusing. You just go with 1 double crochet all over this, and just to add more color, you can add white, you can add cream, you can add this color, butter yellow or something. But as for me, I just want it to be plain like this. If you want your scrunchie to be a bit fuller, you can go and do the 4th row with exactly how we have done the 3rd and the 2nd row. You're going to go in here with 3 double crochet in each chain all over again, and your scrunchie will be fuller.